here's a fun little spinning hippo card. I thought the ballerina hippo would make a perfect spinner, so I put her on some fishing wire, and there she goes. Pretty cute, huh? So I've got a couple tips and tricks for you. So the first is we're going to adhere the designer series paper on the front of the card before we cut out the circle using the stylish shape dies. This paper comes from the Celebrate Everything DSP. Lots of fun different designs in the mini catalog. Now we'll add some of this fun paper to the inside of the card. Now we're gonna stamp the ballerina. We have to stamp the ballerina in two directions. So we're gonna stamp the ballerina the regular direction, which is this direction. And then I'm gonna use one of these silicone mats to stamp the ballerina in the opposite direction so we can put her on the back. So I'm gonna use some Memento ink and my ballerina. Make sure she's inked very, very well. And pick a corner. Make sure it's nice and clean. And just stamp straight down and straight up. And then quickly bring this over and press it on your paper with your block. And there you have your ballerina facing the other way. Now you can color your ballerina. I used petal pink and polished pink and black, basic black, and dark, and smoky slate light to just get a really good contrast there. So now the fun part, we're going to put some twine on this ballerina, and I'm going to use some red liner tape. It's the strongest, stickiest tape that I know of. And I'm just gonna put it right in the center of my hippo ballerina. Just gonna cut off a long piece of the fishing wire. And I'm going to stick it right down the middle here. Nice and tight. And then I'm going to put my other ballerina on the other side. Okay, now we're going to attach the hippo to the card with some fishing line and red liner tape. You want to use the red liner tape because it's super strong. And there's a little test of our spinning ballerina. And now we can place the top DSP on the front of the card base. Now I'm gonna stamp the cute little sentiment on a circle cut out with the layering circles dies. And I'll just add that with dimensionals. Now I'm gonna add some flowers to our ballerina with a little bit of liquid glue. I'm gonna do one on the front side. Now I'm going to flip the hippo over and add a flower to the back. Now for a little bit of bling, I'm going to add some of the in color opal rounds, and I'm just going to add one to the front because I don't want to add one to the opposite side because I feel like that will make it too bulky. So I'm just going to add a dimensional to our sentiment and pop that on. And there we have our spinning ballerina hippo card. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you make one of your own. They're super fun and super easy to make. And if you place a $50 order, I'm going to send you my hippo card kit for free. Just use my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like this kit. I have a boating hippo and a floating hippo. If you like this video, please give it a like and leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to click on that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.